welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. This came from Seattle Mini, which is a mini dealership in Seattle, if you hadn't guessed. And the reason why this came from Seattle Mini is because they have a really good website and a good parts picker, and that allowed me to self-service what I wanted. So I have two parts in here. The first one is a 63-17-5 A20 4E5. And this one is a 63-17-5 A20 4E6. These are BMW OEM parts. And what this should contain are side markers for my car. So these are the OEM BMW side markers for the F56 Mini. So there they are. Now let's unpack one here. So that's what it looks like when you unpack it. It's the back side. There's a 2-pin plug here. Made in Poland. Sticker on the back. So what I'm going to attempt to do here is install these. Never done it before. Should be fun. Okay, so to start off, we are going to remove the existing lights. So you lift up on these. It pulls towards you, just like that. And then there is a plug here, and that unplugs. So that was easy. Very cool. Okay, so there's like a metal clip here that collapses, and then there's 2 pins on the bottom. There is a light here. It's like a 1/4 turn. So if you needed to change your light bulb, this is how you would do it. And I don't want to break this, but it 1/4 turns this way. It just seems very stuck. So anyway, so let me grab some Tarx on a rag and clean this up. Okay. So this is my light. So on this side, we've got the glossy part on the side. This is full, and then there's the opening for the light here. So that's how it's going to go on. And this 2-pin plug plugs right in. And these are going to snap into place. Like that. That's it. Installed. So there it is. It works. So you can see the front, see the other side, and this is what it looked like from the factory. So let's do it again here. So we picked up like that, and I totally didn't break that. Awesome. So this removes like that. Again, the factory, this is kind of what it looks like. There's a clip here, and a metal here. So you just kind of compress this. In my case, this is a little bent. It's like somebody replaced the bulb at one point and bent it a touch. Maybe I just did it, who knows? But I'm going to say it was the last owner. Like I mentioned, I'm using Tarx here on this rag. You could use a eraser, you could use a bunch of other products. Just trying to clean the dirt and stuff off. And there we are. It's plugged in, it lights up, and there we go. snapped into place. So that is that. So let's walk around the car and count how many pieces of chrome are left. 1. 1. So this is on order. We'll be here shortly. And when it arrives, there will be no more chrome. I'm interested to see how it works out. I don't know that it's going to work out, to be honest with you. I might have to have that piece of chrome there forever. But we'll see. Because this, I think, is too close to that, and it's going to be a problem. But that's done. And one other update on the Mini, I have a ding here, and I have a ding here. And I took it to a paintless dent removal today to see about getting those dents removed. And this quarter panel is sealed, so he told me that he can't get in there to pull that dent out, which is unfortunate. And he said that his glue won't pull that crease. So I went to a body shop. I was quoted $1,500 to fix that. So it kind of is what it is. I think I'm going to get the roof wrapped in black vinyl, just because I've got a lot of, like this. If you look, there's some imperfections there quite a bit, so I'll try to remove some of that. But car looks good. So next, I've got a tune on the way. So I'll let you know when that arrives, and we can go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.